Why are vaccines so important? They are here to serve the legends, as well as our unsung heroes. Vaccines enable us to envision, to explore, and to go above and beyond. They empower us to pursue our dreams and to define our history from an equal standpoint. Without the threat, a vaccine prevents both diseases. We can stride forward to the next starting point, connecting our precious moments to a future of possibilities. They are here for our loved ones and for those we have yet to meet, for this generation and for all future generations, realizing scientific miracles, achieving innovation, quality, and accessibility, innovating towards a pandemic-free future.